Good afternoon, students. Today we have to study here in this algebraic expression chapter this subtraction of algebraic expressions. Subtraction of algebraic expression. That day we have studied this addition of algebraic expression. Then today see this subtraction of algebraic expressions. One question see here. Example: subtract 10 RS minus 8 PQ. 10 RS minus 8 PQ from this number. Subtract from this number 15 PQ minus 7 RS. Subtract this number. Which number? 10 RS minus 8 PQ from 15 PQ minus 7 RS. Then horizontally you subtract this number. First this number you write here 15 PQ minus 7 RS, subtraction, then minus here, then this number write in bracket 10 RS minus 8 PQ. Then here bracket solve this 15 PQ minus 7 RS, then see here minus 10 RS, then here minus plus 8 PQ, then PQ take here, combine this 15 PQ plus 8 PQ, then these two numbers take here minus 7 RS minus 10 RS, then 15 plus 8 23 PQ, here minus plus, but big number symbol this minus means 10 plus 7 17 RS. So this 23 PQ minus 17 RS. This horizontally. This example say vertically arrangement. Vertically arrangement. Here this number subtract from this number means this number first you write here 15 PQ minus 7 RS, here minus which number here 10 RS 8 PQ, then you first you write here PQ below PQ number minus 8, minus then here plus minus 8 PQ, then here again which number here 10 RS plus 10 RS, then here subtraction. This subtraction in subtraction this minus 8 PQ and minus this symbol of this minus here plus, then 15 plus 8 23 PQ, then you change this value here minus plus minus, then minus addition and big number symbol minus means 10 plus 7 minus 17 RS. Answer 23 PQ minus 17 RS, horizontally as well as vertically. And see this practice set 34. Subtract the second expression from the first one. Practice set 34. Subtract the second expression from the first one, first one example, 4xy minus 9x 3xy minus 16 z. You subtract this second expression. Which second expression? This expression 3xy minus 16z. This expression subtract from this number first one 4xy minus 9x. Then first you write this number 4xy minus 9x. Then here subtract this second 3xy minus 16 z. Sorry, here z. Then bracket solve 4xy minus 9z minus 3xy, here minus plus 16z. Then same variables you take here, combine xy, here also xy, 4xy minus 3xy, then minus 9z, and here plus 16z. Then these two numbers and these two numbers you subtract. 4 minus 3 1 means only xy. Then here plus minus subtraction, 16 minus 9 7, and this number symbol of this plus 7 z, xy plus 7 z. Second one, five x plus 4y plus 7z and x plus 2y plus 3z. Then subtract this second expression from this first one. Then here 5x plus 4y plus 7z minus this writes x plus 2y plus 3z. Then bracket solve. First number as it is, right, 5x plus 4y plus 7z minus this, right, minus x minus plus minus 2y minus plus minus 3z. Then same variables you take here, 5x minus x, then afterwards y plus 4y minus 2y, then here plus 7z minus 3z. Then you subtract this number. Here 5x minus x means 5x minus 1x means here 4x. Then plus 4y minus 2y means 2y. Then big number symbol plus. Then here plus minus 7 minus 3 4z. Answer this 4x plus 2y plus 4z. Then see this third example. x square plus 8xy plus 3y square. Second expression, this 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. Then do here subtract this second expression from this first one. Then this write 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square. Then here minus the second 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. Afterwards you solve this bracket. This first right here 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square. Then solve this bracket here minus 26x square. See here, minus minus plus 8xy. Then again minus minus plus 17y square. Then you take here, combine these same variables here, x square, here also x square, 14x square minus 26x square. Step by step you solve here. Then plus 8xy, you take this plus 8xy. Then y square plus 3y square plus 17y square. Yeah. Then see here subtraction, 14x square minus 26x square, 26 minus 14, 12, and this big number symbol means minus 12. Minus 12 x square plus 8xy plus 8xy, 16xy plus 17 plus 3, 20y square. Answer minus 12x square plus 16xy plus 20y square. In this practice set 34, the subtraction of algebraic expression. Again to remain. All these practice set 34 in homework you solve this. You solve this horizontal as well as vertically. Okay. Then tomorrow multiplication of algebraic expressions.